What are the rarest phobias? Common phobias include fears of spiders, heights, flying, and public speaking. But there are also rarer phobias like fear of chickens, walking, or mirrors. Specific phobias are intense fears disproportionate to the actual threat posed by an object or situation, leading to severe fear and avoidance reactions. These phobias typically fall into four categories: animals, natural environments, medical issues, and specific situations, and can seriously impact daily life. To be diagnosed with a specific phobia, a person must experience severe, disproportionate fear lasting over 6 months, causing distress and functional impairment. The National Institute of Mental Health says specific phobias affect 12.5% of US adults, making them common mental health conditions, though individual phobia statistics are scarce. Common phobias like heights and spiders are well studied, but rare phobias often lack research, being named through nonce words using Greek origins. Electrophobia, the fear of chickens, might stem from a traumatic experience and can be treated with exposure therapy, as seen in a case of an 18-year-old woman. Geraskophobia, the fear of aging, can lead to harmful behaviors like food restriction, reducing nutrient intake to avoid growing. These people become terrified at any sign of aging. Ambulophobia, the fear of walking, is more common in older adults due to health risks like balance issues and dizziness, but it can severely impact mobility and independence. Emetophobia, the fear of vomiting, affects more women than men and can lead to anxiety and avoidance behaviors, potentially resulting in other food-related phobias. Arachibutyrophobia, the fear of peanut butter sticking to the mouth, can stem from choking fears or traumatic allergic reactions, sometimes leading to PTSD symptoms. Spectrophobia, the fear of mirrors, can cause significant life disruptions, especially in individuals with depression or schizophrenia who may perceive distortions in reflections. Decidophobia, the fear of making decisions, can result in paralysis over choices and dependence on others, often fueled by cognitive distortions and overstated consequences. Rare phobias like hippopotomonstrosesquipedaliophobia, fear of long words, chickalophobia, fear of chewing gum, and phobophobia, fear of phobias, can cause significant anxiety and avoidance behaviors, but are treatable with cognitive behavioral and exposure therapies. Thanks for joining us today. Please click like and subscribe.